Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund and Money Mile present your goals, dreams and plans.
Hello and welcome to the Money Mile. Joining me today is a very special guest, A. Balasubramanian, who is the Managing Director and CEO at Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund, but more importantly, one of the most experienced and respected leaders of the Indian mutual fund industry. Thank you very much, Bala. It's always a pleasure talking to you. Your GDP, your Goal Dream Plan is a series that we bring to people to make them financially literate. You've been extremely passionate about debt markets as well, Bala, in your career, and a very successful career that you've had. What is the importance and the role of debt in a portfolio? Because I think a lot of conversations around mutual funds end up being equity related. But what is the role of debt in a portfolio, especially in times like this where we've seen, the kind of falls in equity? Balancing it with good debt in a portfolio would have helped people. So what is the role of debt according to you in a portfolio?
The debt clearly is one of the biggest balancing factor in anyone's portfolio. There is a fear in the last 2-3 months among people that these fixed income schemes are good, these debt funds are good. I think in fixed income schemes, I myself have seen multiple cycles, defaults kind of scenario I've seen almost 4-5 times, and companies downgrades I've seen. And despite all those things, I think fixed income schemes still generate a better experience with investors. Somebody gives a similar time as they are giving for an equity. I think at the same time, if you are able to give more than 3 years and 5 years, I think fixed income give you better experience. For one simple reason, fixed income NAV predominantly is driven by the daily interest accrual comes in the portfolio. Second is price movement because of the day-to-day interest rate movement. And third is RBI monetary policy drives the interest rate movement and therefore the underlying prices. Fourth, of course, is the credit movements that happens. Sometimes upgrade and downgrades can lead to the bond prices go up or down. If there's a default, of course, there will be some write-off also will come in the schemes. Despite all such fluctuations being part of these schemes, that 90% of the 80% of the scheme NAV is driven by the interest accrual. Therefore, that over a period of time, cushioning the portfolio's return, despite the portfolio sometimes losing some value. So keep this in mind, and definitely in the long run, fixed income can give, of course, definitely better experience compared to equity in terms of volatility, but if not give a extra exponentially high return the way I think equity can come. But I want you to do the balancing act while constructing the portfolio by having exposure for wealth creation in equity, say up to say 50%. The balance 45 to 50% should be in fixed income, and given the fact the less volatile over a period of time, it gives you a better return. You have one asset class takes care of your capital protection, and that's something as a principle. If we keep it, I think overall experience of dealing with mutual funds will be good. But at the same time, one should also learn to ignore the volatility that in fixed income scheme that offers. Whereas in equity, people are generally okay to see the volatility, saying I have come for investing for long term, therefore volatility is supposed to be part and parcel of the game. I think similar mindset needs to be created for fixed income, not so much such a high volatility, but little volatility as long as one is able to fathom. I think fixed income can actually help in cushioning the portfolios very well in the long run.
Always a pleasure talking to you, Bala. Wish you all the very best. I know we are all going through difficult times, but I'm sure that with the positivity that you exude, we will all come out of it in a better shape at some point of time. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Vivek, and it's my pleasure to be part of this show and hope it benefits everyone. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.